Hi guys, my name is Ali Casper. I'm gonna show you iPhone 11. So nothing changed, it's just iPhone except to change numbers. It's still iPhone. And I am very happy with my iPhone 11. And they said that the privacy is iPhone is very strict with their privacy. So I have to attach this because they keep on telling me that I need to include the privacy part. Now, iPhone 11, they have 6 different colors. They have gray, green, yellow, white, black, and red. But I choose green because it's almost springtime and green is always cool. That's my opinion. And I'm going to attach the privacy, and then on my next video I will show you the camera tricks, different tricks in the video. So I'm gonna show you because it's very amazing. It's amazing, it's different, and this is new to me, so I have to share this to you in my next video. Not this video, but on my next video. So follow me in my next video. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will see the camera tricks in my next video. Guys, I'm very happy with my iPhone 11 because there are so many camera tricks. So follow me. That's my next video.